In this video, I will show you how to request money on Wise. So first go and open up the Wise app or website and sign in to your account. Then what you want to go and do is click on request in the top right here. Now once you click on request, you can go and create a new request by first selecting who you would like to request the money from. So you can enter someone's name if they have a Wise account, you can enter their Wise tag, you can enter their email or phone number, but if it's a general request money link, then you can click on anyone right here, and of course you can also just go and send this to a specific person. Now here you have a QR code, but you can also click share where you will then get a link that you can send to people. But you can also choose to request a specific amount of money. So to do that, click add amount at note in the bottom. Then here choose how much you want. For example, I'll say 25 euros. Then you can say note, for example, groceries. And then you can click create request. And now here you can simply go and share it. You can copy the link or get the QR code, whichever one is easiest, and then click done and just share it with whoever you want. So now you know how to request money on Wise. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.